Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the presentation on Suricata Intrusion Detection System. So in this practical session, I'm going to demonstrate how to detect a NMAP scanning attack using Suricata IDS. So in this system, in this lab, we are going to use a Kali Linux to simulate the NMAP scanning attack and Linux system, either Ubuntu or any other Linux system where we are going to configure the Suricata intrusion detection system and ensure that these virtual machines are connected in the virtual local area network using host-only adapter, and also enable one more adapter, additional adapter for both Kali and the Linux system to download and install the needed softwares. So now already I have kept systems ready. Okay, Kali. Okay, let me start the Kali. So it has two network adapters. One is NAT and another one is post-only adapter. Similarly, I'm using another Linux operating system, which is Bodhi Linux. So that is also configured with NAT and post-only adapter. Let me start the system. So I'm starting the Linux system. Open the terminal. So now first we have to install the Suricata on the Linux. So the command basically is I would attach the GitHub repository where the this file will be uploaded, and uh, you can access these commands from that file. Okay, now let me sudo apt update and upgrade. So before we install the Suricata, let's update and upgrade. So now the update and the upgradation process is completed. So now we can install the Suricata. The command is sudo apt install Suricata Suricata dash update slash y. So let's wait for the Suricata to get installed. So the Suricata installation is super easy and it is already completed. So now we have to download the rules, and rules are very important in detecting the different attacks. So the command is sudo suricata dash update. It would pull the latest community rules. So the rules are very important in the sense that, like, if you're doing denial of service attack or the scanning attack or any other form of attack, the Suricata IDS would detect the attack based on the rules. So this command is very important. Let's wait for the rules to get downloaded and updated. So the Suricata installation is completed. and also the rules has been installed and configured using the command sudo suricata update. Okay, so now let us um, run the suricata. So it is running on the in system mode. This is a command to run the suricata sudo suricata -c, and the main configurations are available in the suricata.yaml file, and this is the interface in which suricata is running, but we have to verify whether the interface number is correct or not. So we use this command to verify the interface details. Okay, just go to the, and you can note there is an interface ENP0S8, and it is working in the host only adapter with the IP 1.25. So now ENP0S8 is matching, and so verify the interface details with the IPA command. So so this is the command to check the interface details, and the suricata. Okay, we have started in the IDS mode, and it's listening to the traffic in this interface, and you can check the status of the suricata using this command. Okay, I think we have to start the suricata again. It's running now. There is an error condition that Suricata PID exists and Suricata appears to be running in system mode. Okay, the Suricata I think is already running, and let's check the status of the Suricata using this command. Paste PSAUX and pipe grep Suricata. Okay, you can uh, see that it's running already. Okay, So now the Suricata is running, and basically it is okay, has rules. So it has a rules, Suricata dot rules. Okay, and let's try to attack the system. There is some issue with my Kali. Let me fix it. So actually, from the Kali system, I tried to do the denial of service attack, and okay, in the target system, okay, you have to go to this folder, cd var log suricata, and here there is a file event.json eve.json. Okay, so this file basically okay is for example, we can use the grep. The source IP is 192.168.1.11 eve.json, and you can see that this is the result of the denial of service attack, which is performed from the Kali system. It's it is entered in the log file. However, it is not giving any alert message. But as far as this lab uh, focus is concerned, we want to perform some attack and capture that attack information in the Suricata log. So this is the attack what I did, like denial of service attack sudo hping3 dash capital S dash dash flooding dash dash random dash source to have different source IP address, and dash P I targeted from 0 to 65,535 ports, and this is the IP of the target system. In case you are very particular about the alerts, then there is an option, okay, that is we can create a local rule. Okay, so I'm going to create a local rule. Okay, so this is the command for creating the local rule. Okay, okay, so in this file, let's create the local rule which would detect the denial of service attack, which is performed using the ICMP. Okay, so let's copy this. Okay, so it is pasted now. So O, enter Control X. So after creating the roles, basically, So this rule, when 1000 ICMP echo requests are sent from the same source within 10 seconds, it would be triggering. And one more thing, what we have to do is like we have to edit the YAML file. Okay, so let's edit the YAML file. This is the YAML file. So just copy this command. So YAML file. Just scroll down until you find the rules file. Control W, you can search. Okay, you can type rules. Otherwise, you can go here and rule dash files. Rule dash files, you can search. So control W, rule dash files. Here we got. So here the Suricata dot rules, these are the default rules available. So now what we are going to do is we are going to make local dot rules. Okay, then Control O, enter, Control X. You remember that we created the local rules already. So after we create the rules, okay, then um, we have to restart the Suricata. Okay, so these commands copy and paste it. And then let's restart the Suricata. Yeah, Suricata is running perfectly now. And now we can do the attack. Okay, denial of service attack we can perform now. So I'm doing this attack using this command hping3 -l -1 for ICMP packets dash flooding, then the IP address of the system target in which this is running. Then, so let's see the log files here. Let me cat fast.log, and you can see that it has detected the ICMP flood attack, and also um, you can check the grep, I mean the event.log grep. Okay, ICMP flood. Okay, event.json file, and you can see that the attack is going on and the log is uh, reflecting the attack. Okay, so this is the main objective of this lab. The main objective of the lab is to configure the Suricata on the Linux system, both the Linux, and then to initiate the attack from the Kali Linux onto the target system where the IDS, Suricata IDS is installed and configured, and then to capture the attack information in the log file and to read the log. So two log files we have explored. One is fast.log, okay, and another one is event.json. In the future lab, let us access these log files from the Suricata from the systems like Wazoo and Splunk. So with this, I conclude this video presentation. Thank you.